Hi guys, after I put my car on for about 15 minutes, this is how now my car looks like. I want to show all the, now see, it's easy now. The snow is dropping easily. I put my car ignition on for about 10 minutes. See, all this is all good. Now see, it's easy to take the snow out. This how it looks like. Look at this. Oh my God, when you are planning to come to America, please try to do something. This is Michigan today, the 18th, the year 2022. Now I'm planning to go to work. I put my car on for about 15 minutes ago. Now it's easy to take all the snows out. It's easy. So my friends, yeah, I promised you I'll be showing you good stuff in America. Yeah, so now I'm getting ready to go to work. Everywhere is snow today. The snow is too much. Yeah, this is my car. And anyway, we are used to. Yeah, so I'm getting ready to go to work. You see, my car has a white carrier. So guys, remember to share, subscribe, and write to the Life of Wanonga. Yeah, I'll be showing you good stuff. This is Michigan, Kalamazoo. Yeah, Michigan, Kalamazoo, United States of America. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'm going to work. Now I'm all done. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Yeah, but the good thing, my car is 4-wheel drive. I'll just reverse and forward and go to work. I love you guys. God bless. Bye.